everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 30th to the 3rd of April 2026 on Monday. Songanga warns Uthandiswa of danger. Mandla panics over a police finding his work tag in Amos' grave, and Sakhile is shocked his sister will marry him as a second wife on Tuesday. Thandiswa enlists Leroy to retrieve Nomeva's Kwama as Nguga readies a sacrificial ritual. Mandla plans to leave Emnyameni but is relieved by the police news, while Tani celebrates Timi's family approval to marry her on Wednesday. Martha spirally deeper into denial over Jason's death and suddenly disappears. Mandla's guilty pushes him to question Amos' past, while Sakhile challenges Tim's commitment to tradition on Thursday. A runaway bride storms into a saloon and holds two pregnant women hostage. Build forces Emnyameni's men of God to resign. Tiny and Tim celebrate love, and Philile rejects Mandla's resignation on Friday. It's revealed that Martha is mentally unstable and homeless. Philile and her children feel betrayed when Mandla quits his job to become a pastor. The Sbiyas and Buthelezis successfully conclude their lobola negotiations. Awu nkosi yami, kusho ukuthi uMartha usehlanya ngempela ekhanda. Lento yokushona kwendoda yakhe ayimphathanga neze kahle. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.